You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing long words as well, some of the longest ones in English. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning and have fun with that. Ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist is on that third mo syllable. Ophthalmologist. Both British and American pronunciations are similar here as ophthalmologist. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it, at least it only takes 1 second and it helps me a lot. Thanks for your support. More videos for you here on how to pronounce more words. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.